Alright, section 11.2 is on electronic utilities. These are devices such as internet, cell phone, TV, extra things like that you get brought into your home. Question number 1, a payphone at a shopping mall charges 68 cents for the first 4 minutes and 21 cents for each extra minute or part of a minute. Find the cost of a 10-minute call on this phone. So 68 cents is for the first 4 minutes, then you have 6 minutes after that at 21 cents per minute, which gives you a total of $1.94. Part B, find the cost of a 13.44 minute call on this phone. Again, 68 cents for the first 4 minutes, and then it's going to be 10 extra minutes because you have to round up, all right, for part of a minute at 21 cents per minute, gives you $2.78 for that phone call. Question number 2. A cable TV internet phone provider charges Janet $90 per month for all 3 services. In addition, Janet's monthly bill for cell phone calls and text messages averages $77 per month. What does Janet pay annually for these services? So $90 per month for all 3 services plus $77 per month for her cell phone and texting, which is $167 per month. Times 12 months for the whole year gives you $2,004. What is her average cost per day for these services? Round to the nearest cent. $2,004 divided by 365 per day gives you $5.49 per day for these costs. And that's it for section 11.2.